The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera has a wealth of physical and software settings and controls. First, on the top, there is a power switch, 3 function buttons, manual ISO, shutter, and white balance button, the primary record button, and a still photo button. On the rear, there is a large touchscreen display, which can be used as a control and a viewfinder. Automatic iris and focus control buttons for use with applicable lenses, HFR or high frame rate toggle button, viewfinder zoom button, a menu button with 3 horizontal lines, and the playback library button. On the side, there are a variety of input and output connectors. First, an 1/8" microphone input jack, an 1/8" headphone monitor jack, an HDMI port with the cage attachment, a USB-C port with the cage attachment, and a mini XLR audio input.